Hi friends, welcome to Android series. Today we discuss about how to design the button. So in my previous section how to design this button, how to integrate in your code I explained. So in this session we'll see how you need to design different types of buttons. So you are able to see this is on like a shadow part, this is a multi-color login button, this is a single color, it's like a solid color I can say. So this is one more type. We'll see this one in the next section. We'll see about all the buttons how to design in this video. Okay, let me open my website. So see in the I already explained there is a angrytools.com. Okay, this is the website. You can design the button however you want. Okay, so we'll see these all things we can see today. Okay, so this is the button. So first of all, what you want to do, I make it as a login. I need a text. Which color you want, you can use which color you want. Okay, this is the text size. If you want to give some 15, just you can give. If you want to make it as 30, just you can go ahead and give. Okay, and there is a shadow effect is there. If you make it on, there is a shadow color. Which color you want to apply the shadow. Okay, before going to discuss about the shadow, we'll discuss about the background color. Background, we have a two colors, one for gradient, one for the solid. When I say solid, only single color you can apply. If you see here, if I make it as a blue, see, are you able to see only single color I can apply. This is one way you can do. For this single color you want to apply the radius. How you need to design? So this is one thing. This is called a radius. Radius is nothing but if you say these are corners, you can make it as a shape. See, you are able to see. This is one way you can do your login button. I hope you guys are clear about how you need to design rounded corner. If you go for PPT, so this is one we saw now. I hope you are clear. Now we'll design about this one. Okay, this is a single color. If you go for the gradient, here three different colors we have: start color, center color and end color. So you can apply. I will make it as a green, and here I will make it as a blue, and end color I will make it as a red. See, this is one of the design. So these three colors, if you want to mix, is a different angle. If you see here angle, you can rotate however you want. So this is one of the way you can define your colors also. And this is a center. See, where exactly you want. So this is gradient colors. I hope you understood about the background, gradient and solid. If you go here in the PPT, so three different colors. Login is a different text. This is a login.txt, right? So the text color, if you want to change, you can go and change. I hope you clear about this one. Okay, so this one is done, this one is done, and we'll see about strokes and the welcome. Okay, now what I want to do, I will make it as a solid color. Okay, if you click on the shadow button, here I need shadow of green. If you observe here is a green shadow XY. If you observe here, this is a background. I will make it as a welcome for your understand. Okay, I want to give some red color, you want to give, suppose just as an example. Okay, if you make it here where exactly you want the shadow messages, you can design in this way. See, in the x coordinate or y coordinate. If you want to provide anything, see, this is one more option, like how much. See, if I given as a 0 full exact, it is displaying a welcome message to you. This is called a shadow effect on your button. I hope this is not only for the button, you can design for edit text also. Whatever you want, this is a shape. This shape, if you want to apply the edit text, you can apply. I hope you are clear about the shadow part. Okay, I hope this one is clear. Okay, now we have a stroke button. If you see, I will make it as I don't want any this part. I will make it as a width and height. This is my width and height. And if you go down here, there is a stroke option. If you make it here, make it as a circle. Okay, here my stroke will be this much. I want to apply some green color. See, this is one of the option you can provide. See, different types of attributes we have. You can define however you want to design the buttons. Now you want to apply Facebook icon, any icons. If you go here, when I say Facebook button login, when I make it here, go for images. See, different types of images you have. See, this is one of the icon. See here, if you observe here what they are doing, they mention only the top and the bottom, but the right side it is not there. If you want to design that way, how I need to design, go here. First I want to make it, this is my Facebook, right? What I will do, I will make it as a Facebook. Okay, I don't want any strike. If you observe here there is no strike option. Facebook image is there, only applied for the left side. How you want to design, there is a radius is there. See here, it is applying for everything, right? If you click a radius property, here left I want to apply few things. I want to give as a, suppose a 50 I given, and there is one more bottom. See, okay, now you want to apply the color. If you want to the color, I already explained, go and take the screenshot here, go for the color picker. This is the icon, not this one. I will upload my image. So what I will do, upload this image. So here, click here, this is your, okay, hexadecimal code. Go here and apply that color here, and yes, just go and remove the hash symbol. See, your Facebook image is ready, same as it is look like. I hope you guys understood about. So to append this icon, Facebook F is there, right? If you see, this is one type of button, this is a Google Plus, sign in with Google Plus. And so these are different types of buttons you can design by using these Angry tools. Then if you want to integrate, I already explained my previous section, go ahead and watch this one. I hope you guys are clear. If you have any difficulty, if you are facing, please leave your comments. Okay, thank you guys.